legal. Welcome back to Plus Teeth on it. Been a bit of a bad day today. Nice day. But yeah, we just out here. Sorry for the late video. Like that. Gonna weld them in like that. He fell off the bandwagon a bit. Being a bit fucking getting on too much bender there, and might need to quit drinking for it. But yeah, love and light. Hope you all had a good day. This video is just gonna be about the diff. And yeah, how she's welded up and it's fit to go. Hopefully we can get into some burnout comps surely soon. Alright, there it is. All ready to go in. She's a little bit dirty on the back still, but just gonna chuck it in soon. I'll wait for the paint to dry a little bit. Just fix painted it. You let that settle in and bolt them all up. Take them out the back and we off on it. Legal. Chuck it in. Check it out on it. On our way to course on it.
Right. Any questions, any issues after this morning's break?
No.
So,
once the high-speed steel planks have been cropped off by a guillotine, they are induction heated and passed between revolving carbide dies to form the flutes. The jobber drills are then heat-treated on this carousel. Certain sizes of jobber drills are also flute ground. As well as being finish ground by assemblers grinding, jobber drills also have body surface grinding before they too conform to the strict manufacturing tolerances. The most crucial part of any Swiss drill is the point. The accuracy of the holes and the efficiency of the drill depends on correct point grinding. Hundreds of thousands of drills are produced here every week, and they all leave the factory with perfectly ground points. Glue treatment is an additional thermal process to relieve any stresses produced in the grinding operation and impart a non-metallic surface to the drill.
see the health and safety in those days, they didn't have glasses, firearms, harder people then, but they're rapid cotton balls.
Just increases drill life on ferrous metal. No straight and straighter shank drill has a distinctive dormer silver ring patented marking method. A bright ring is ground on at the recess to highlight the roll marks, the drill size, and our name. The position of the silver ring allows the markings to remain clear even when the shanks become scored by the so you always know what size to drill in and to make it. A tool made with such care demands as much care from those who use it. Make sure you've got the right type of drill for the Make sure that the shaker shank of the drill and the socket are clean and free from burrs. Otherwise the drill will not fit correctly and the tang will twist off or the drill will drop out. Don't ruin the drill before you even start work by using steel hammers or spanners. A mallet of wood or some other soft material such as pine or lead should be used. Make sure that the workpiece you are going to drill is rigidly held. If it bends or moves in any way, a strain is put on the drill which will reduce its efficiency and possibly break it. Keep the quill extension to the minimum. Select the correct speed and feed for the size of drill and the material. direct an adequate supply of coolant to the cutting area, not halfway up the drill. And make sure too that you're using the correct lubricant. Above all, look after the point of the drill. Don't let it get too blunt. You only have to grind more off to get it sharp again. A blunt drill will warn you itself. Don't ignore it. A blunt drill will produce a poor finish and out-of-tolerance hole. A machine ground point is always more accurate by hand. Correct clearance is provided on all dormer drill sharpening machines. Each flank of the drill is ground from the same rotation point. Therefore, both flanks of the drill are identical. This simple model 108 point grinder is designed to provide a reliable general purpose machine for the rapid and accurate regrinding of twist drills by unskilled labor. Other dormer point grinding machines include this model 100 semi-automatic. It's able to produce a correctly formed point on all sizes and types of drill above 8 mm automatically. The design makes possible the fastest and simplest changeover. One type of drill to another and from one make to another. The increasing use of numerically controlled drilling machines has created a demand for a more accurate performance from the twist drill. These machines position the drill with precise control, but the accuracy of the holes produced depends on the ability of the drill point to center itself and drill through to the spindle setting. Designed to meet this particular need is the Model 84 center point grinder, which produces a unique design of drill points. This point is remarkable in that it cuts not only along the two lips, but also at the chisel, minimizing drill wander and oversized holes. This eliminates the need for punching, center drilling, or pilot drilling to ensure accurate holes in the exact preset location. The core, or web of the drill, increases in thickness towards the shank to meet the drill rigidity. Therefore, as the drill is shortened by repetitive sharpening, it becomes necessary to thin the web at the point. This operation is better performed mechanically, as it is essential that it is correctly formed and equally balanced about the drill axis. Correct clearance, point angles, chisel angle, and accurately on the dormer goniometer drill inspection unit. The economics of drilling, the actual cost per hole, depends entirely on the quality of twist drill and the care with which it is used and maintained. Sheffield Twist Drill and Steel Company Limited has been making quality twist drills since 1913 and produced several million of these tools each month. They are available in more than 120 countries throughout the world from dormer engineering distributors. And whatever the need of industry, there is a dormer drill to see.
1 million.
Whether you need a specialized drill or an all-purpose tool to do many different routine operations, you will find it here.
Pick it up, Barney. Fellas are making some sort of thingy. Bit of a surround or something. Hey? Nah, Bradley did. I think, did Bradley do it or Dylan? Dylan did it. Yeah, Dylan going to it. Should be all good. Yeah, that's all good. Ja, die vorm. Is dat nou de DMP of dat was? Hé? Double weld up. Yeah, do you want it? Huh? Nah. I'm gonna start welding my thing. I need some now. What's it called? I gotta go find me some magnet up the block too. Gonna go find me some magnet on it. Shoot up. Out. The lumber. Here's the layer. Like too hot or some shit. How does the braid do it? It's the braid that looks mean, eh? Oh, it's ugly. Check it up on it, she's ugly. Chicken wing. Shit, there's funny. Fuck, I'm doing something wrong. Might not be close enough. Hold on. Hold it longer, eh? We just want to eat the boom. This one is fucker. The 3 days cut.
But I make the I don't need those on my pocket.
After you keep on it.
Number one is finally real under the top.
I make still a beast. They just go straight up onto it, bolts on. 18 mil. Here it is, finally, nice and clean. He's all fit to go. Here it is, finally. Gonna weld that sucker in there. Yeah, he's gotta take off the bolts off the back, I'm pretty sure. Or is it just the axles holding it in? Oh, that one both there. And then I think the axles might just slide out. Oh yeah, we'll see what happens. Overnight, finally. The fucking weather's gonna rain, eh? Doesn't matter because we only water blasting today. So I'll get back onto the other edit. Overnight, finally. Yeah, it is finally. Got me in the above out here. Just taking up the axles out of the subframe so we can pull out the diff finally. This one nice bolt at the back. Besides these ones on that side. The 22 and the 18. That's like the 18 and 16, I think. Getting it out for it. Just grab that. Okay. Need it a bolt. Big bolt. Better wait on that one, eh? Lots on the old pinza. Shading the clip that I'm about to take off.
Hey.
A bit of a clip that I'm about to take off.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, look one.
Oh, yeah. Somewhere near Whaanau. Get mine there. Put them there.
Really need brakes now, Whaanau. I think those got brakes anyway. Oh, this is the handbrake. Might need that actually. Well, we'll get back to you with an update after this, Whaanau. There it is, Whaanau. These two bolts are control arms and the drive shaft, or the axle comes out, Whaanau. And there it is, Whaanau. The left hand and the right hand side axles. He's gonna take off the diff itself now, off the subframe. Yeah, so tomorrow if I got enough time, I'll give the diff a bit of a buff and a bit of a paint. Maybe the subframe and the diff. But have a night, Whaanau. Hope you all had a good night. Get back to you with an update tomorrow when I unravel all that. And when we unbolt it and dismantle it, Whaanau, we on. It is Whaanau, she's empty. She's a boaty. Just down in training, we're going to take off this backing plate too. 10 mils. Take it off and then see what we get inside, because you're going to get a bit of a down there. on it. And light blue. Well, there it is, funny. The diff right here. It's gonna be giving it a bit of a degrease in it. Again, when I get back, bit of a polish up of the jewel in the wire brush. Here we just have to go through the brake, but let's let it dry for now. And then yeah, get back to it when we get back. Clean it all out. Cut our plates out and get ready to weld it. We'll have a light on it. It's looking like a all good day for us, but shit, weather. Check it out. Damn. Listen down, see. Have a light on it. Look, what's up? You find it, we just have to super cheap to go collect some parts, put some gold spray can, some silicone for there, and some diff oil, and then we're gonna be able to chuck it in. But yeah, just gonna put it on the trailer. I'm gonna drive out to my dad or later and chuck it in. Surely, I was like, hey, gonna do it in the rain. Hot. Fuck, if I can do some burnouts, that'll be better than dragging it back to NGE. Oh yeah, shout out to the food. Oh, 62 Pity Road. Oh, really? Tobacco 2 Pity. Look! Damn! Pressing down around here, funny. Check it out. I feel it. Give this a bit of a clean up at the back. Check out the diff, funny. Woohoo! Looking like a bit of a trophy. This one does. If you didn't break it. Alright. Looking pretty good. Fuck, it's giving it a big dent there. Which I don't want. Damn, it's denting it. Get back to this, I suppose. Then it gives me a chance to check out my pinion too. Check out my lash. Set my backlash. I don't want it to be knot. I want it to be tied up on it. Damn, still jammed on it. We'll be back with an update. Well, I took off the two side things. Stay video funny. And yeah, here's the diff itself with the crown gear on. I was cleaning up all the bearings and stuff on it. And then I'll take off the crown gear. You get more access to where the plating inside there where the spiders are through that hole. But yeah, we're gonna get this all of those bolts off right there. Rattle gun them off H&F. Give her a wipe. Wipe on these can I wrap? Yeah, on it. We are on. Have a night fun. Hope you all had a good day. Well, we just had here, I just got those bolts out. Yeah, just gonna take up this crown mount and then measure up the thing to cut out but some 1/4 inch things over there. Yeah. Had some yeah, as you can see, things last night. I'm a bit late to the video, but yeah, hungover as fuck. Which got our housing stand out nice. Round it out. Yeah, it is fun. I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of grinding. back and enjoy. These numbers are better, actually. Power plant. I'm already halfway through this chunk of steel. Flip bar. There still. I'd say this is a bit thicker than 6mm, I'd say. I think it's about 10mm. We are. Here it is, fine. Here's a bit of a plate. Hopefully get it into this. Oh, yeah, look at that. Woo! That's gonna cut it there. You got a plate for each side. Check them out, fine. 10mm plate. Not the plastic fabrication, but yeah, I'll get back to you with an update. Have a night, Franny. Well, there you go, Franny. And then I'm making out some little plates. And they fit inside like that. Gonna weld them in like that. And then weld right around. And behind, Franny. Rock diff. Here's the housing over here. There you go, it looks beautiful still. Have a night, Franny. Look! Alright. All we did well is take there and there. I got a little bit of a thing. I started building it up over here. But yeah, got our faithful MIG out. Yeah, we're just gonna. I think I might need to cut the outer plate bigger. Because this plate, that plate fits perfect and it comes a little bigger. So yeah, I've got a plate a bit bigger for the outer side. So it fits nice and snug like that. And got a hammer in there, one in a bit, so it's perfect. And then weld the dog there. But yeah, and then I put in the axles in first. Make sure I got the height right, so I can weld it. Not gonna interfere when the drive shafts get riding. But yeah, have a night for it. Look! Oh yeah, just started taking my diff. Started welding up some of the corners, like, and then I went across there. I'm gonna go down here. But yeah, that's it for it. We're already welding. Might do a bit of a time lapse. Yeah. Yeah, every night I'll do it after I have a bit of a smoke break. Bit of a nicer day today than yesterday. Yeah. Getting to tuck my subframe in and that I painted it up yesterday. Yeah, my stuff's gonna look nice in there. Hello, we are funny. Yeah. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice day today. Tee up with the boys later. Might take out the bikes back to Huntley, see what happens. See what parts we need for the Falcon, because I don't know about the drive shaft yet. Yeah, funny. Legal. Oh, it's the right fucking up. Oh, Oh well, there's my plate. That side. And that side. Yeah, fine. That's how it's gonna be overnight. Legal. She's gonna be rock solid. Looks ugly, but she's gonna hold. Saudi and NGA. She got the gas prices funny. Crazy. There you got our diff. On our way to go chuck it in. Off to a bit of a feed later at 5. So yeah. If it's not in by then, probably gonna shoot off at like 4. Yeah. Don't know if we're gonna go home, eh, ma? Pick the motorbikes up? Nah. Can't be bothered. It's right there, motorbikes. But yeah. We're in our faithful still. Got the R32 room. R33 room. Yeah. Oh. There's got the compressor, he said. So we should be safety. Yeah. Pretty much on it. Look. Well, this was $10 get you these days. 5 litres. Damn. Not much, but there you go. Hey, Mom. Let's strap this up on me. Hey? Yeah. Have a good day. The old mate having a bit of wants to go look at the mechanics. Plus these right here, brother. Stop in into the super fish and chip shop. All the boys said it was nice. So we're gonna see snacking and go takeaways. Charles the chicken. What is reckon, son? Fish and chips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Illegal. Illegal, son. Illegal, love. Hello, Nelly. Hello, fat baby. Legal. We in there for it. Gonna go get us some. Check out the menu and stuff. Hello. She's open. Can I find it? Ooh, there's some lollies in there. Are they getting one? Might get the kids the ice cream after. Are we gonna eat it here, Mum, or gonna go back to there? Not here. Huh? Bit of a hold out, like. Can find it. Yeah, I'll probably just have a I don't even get a thick bag. More Angus. Nee. Have a small Angus bag, man. Sweet, funny. These all have a good thing. Yeah, chicken looks pretty nice. Yeah, we're just on our way to Rini. Chuck the diff in, and then boom, we'll get back to you with an update. That I'm getting my son some butter chicken for it. That son, she's hot.